Do you dream of making $10,000 a month on YouTube? Well, it is possible. And today, I'm going to show you 5 lucrative YouTube niches that can help you reach that income goal. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up, these niches are profitable, high demand, and have serious potential for growth. So let's dive in. The first niche that has the potential to bring in $10,000 a month is the personal finance and investing niche. People are always looking for advice on how to save, invest, and grow their wealth. Channels that teach personal finance strategies such as budgeting, debt management, real estate investment, or stock market tips can bring in huge audiences. Example like Graham Stephan or Meet Kevin started with finance tips and have grown into million-dollar enterprises. Their focus on breaking down complex financial topics into easy-to-understand videos is what draws people in. There are multiple ways you can earn from this niche. Number one way is high-paying affiliated programs such as credit card referrals or investment platforms like Robinhood. The second way of earning is sponsorships from financial institutions. And the third way is courses and consulting services. With high CPM rates and countless affiliate opportunities, even a smaller channel in this niche can pull in impressive revenue with the right audience. Next up is the technology reviews and tutorial niche. This is a fantastic space if you are a tech enthusiast or just love reviewing the latest gadgets. Channels that focus on reviewing tech products from smartphones and laptops to smart home devices have massive potential for income. Channels like MKBHD or Linus Tech Tips have built empires in this niche, attracting millions of views and securing brand deals with top tech companies. There are also 3 ways to earn from this niche. The number one way is affiliate links. For example, Amazon Associates or Best Buy. The second way is sponsored reviews and product placements. The third way is AdSense from high-view tech videos. Tech companies pay a premium to advertise on these types of videos, meaning you can make more money with fewer viewers compared to other niches. Everyone wants to get healthier and fitter, and that is why the health and fitness niche is so profitable. Channels that focus on workout routines, nutrition tips, or mental health advice can attract a large audience looking for personal improvement. Think about channels like Chloe Ting or Athlean X. Their fitness challenges have gone viral, bringing in millions of views, sponsorship deals, and even product sales. And here are also 3 ways to earn from. Number 1, brand sponsorships. For example, fitness apparel or supplement companies. The second way is selling workout plans, courses, or personal training services. And on number 3rd, affiliate marketing for fitness gear and supplements. With a passionate audience and room for your unique take on fitness, this niche has huge growth and monetization potential. Another highly profitable niche is how-to and educational content. People are constantly searching for tutorials on just about everything, from learning new skills to mastering hobbies. If you are good at teaching or have expertise in a specific field, this niche is for you. Channels like Khan Academy or Simplicity offer how-to tutorials or educational content, gaining loyal audiences who keep coming back for more. Here are also 3 ways to earn from AdSense revenue from evergreen content, and the second way is sponsorships from education platforms. On number third, offering courses or memberships through Patreon or similar platforms. Educational channels tend to generate long-term passive income because their videos remain relevant and useful for years. Last but not least, we have the gaming niche. It is one of the largest communities on YouTube, and gaming content creators have endless opportunities to cash in. Whether it is Let's Play, game reviews, or live streaming on platforms like Twitch, gamers have the ability to build massive audiences. Take a look at channels like PewDiePie or Ninja, who have turned gaming into multi-million-dollar careers. Even small channels can make a great living by focusing on specific games or unique formats. Here are also 3 ways to earn from AdSense from gaming videos. On number 2, sponsored streams or affiliate marketing with gaming brands. On number 3, selling merchandise, in-game items, or even NFTs. The gaming niche may have lower CPM rates than others, but the sheer volume of views and passionate communities makes up for it. These are just 5 of many profitable niches you can explore on YouTube. Whether you are into personal finance, tech, fitness, education, or gaming, there is a market out there for your content. Remember, the key to success is consistency, creating valuable content, and engaging with your audience. You won't see $10,000 overnight, but with dedication, you can get there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your channel. Let me know in the comments which niche you are most interested in, and let's build those $10,000 a month channels together.